Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add other people as collaborators in Google Docs. So collaborators here is the people that can edit and also view and edit your Google Docs files. So it's basically so easy. You can just open your Google Docs apps on your phone and you can do it without having to open the file actually. So for example, I want to add collaborators into this file, so I'm going to just click on the three dots icon, and then here you can go to manage access, click on that options, and in here to add a new collaborator you can just click on the plus icon people and then plus icon at the top and find the account that you want to set as a collaborator. So in this case I'm gonna add this account, and after that you can choose their role. So if you want to them to be able to edit, you can just click on editor so that they can view, comment, and also edit the file. And after that you can also add a message. It's additional, but if you're not going to send the message, just click on the send icon, and just like that the collaborator has been added to the file. You can click on that and click on share, and here you can see there are two people that can access this file, me as the owner and also the other account. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below, click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.